Hello dear children, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my last video, I have explained the exercises of chapter number 1, and now in today's video, I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of that chapter. So student, first of all you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open page number 4. Student, on page number 4 there is circle the special names of people, places or animals. So dear student, I have already explained that what is a special name. So we have learned in the special name that some people, places and things have a special name. The special names begin with the capital letters. Student, it's very important for you that you have a knowledge about the special name, that special name always begin with a capital letter. Okay, special name have begin with a capital letter. Okay, so let's do this given exercise according to the knowledge of special name. So what will we do in this exercise? So circle the special name of people, places or animals. So in first there is I live in a city, it is called Lucknow. So dear student, tell me which one is the special name in this given sentence. So as we can see, in Lucknow there is a first letter begin with a capital letter and it's the name of a place. So we can say that it is a special name. So for that we all circle the given word Lucknow. Okay, in number 1. In second, I have a pet, it is a dog, I call it Bingo. So student, tell me which one is a special name. So the given word Bingo is a special name. So we have to circle the word Bingo. Okay. Now next, in third there is Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a big city. So student, tell me where is the special name. The given word Delhi is a special name. It is the name of a place, Delhi. Okay. Now the next, in fourth there is Shalini is a smart girl. Shalini is a smart girl. So student, in number 4 there is a special name is Shalini. Okay. In fifth, Rohan gave me a book. Rohan gave me a book. So student, we have to circle the given word Rohan because it begins with a capital letter. Now the next stage, this is a tiger, its name is Rambo. So student, here is the given special name is Rambo. Okay. Now the next, number 7. In number 7 there is Neha is my cousin. Neha is my cousin. So student, we have to circle the given word Neha. It is a special name. Okay, it is a special name of a girl. So we have to circle the word Neha. Okay, in 7 we have to circle Neha. In number 8, Charlie lives in New York. So student, in the next sentence there is a 2 special name. First one is a Charlie, which is the name of a boy, and after that New York, it's the name of a place. Okay. Now come to the next, number 9. Kolkata is called the city of joy. Kolkata is called the city of joy. So student, there is a first stage Kolkata. First word we have to circle, that is Kolkata, and second word is city. Okay. Now last one, in number 10, Seema's Rohit's mother. Seema is Rohit's mother. Seema is Rohit's mother. So student, here again there is a 2 special name. First one is Seema and another one is Rohit. Okay. So we have to circle this both words Seema and Rohit. So like this we have to complete this exercise, and after that we moving to the next. So student, there is a next topic that is given in your book. It is about the male and female. It is about the gender. As we all know that we have to use he for male and she for a female. Okay. So dear student, first of all look at this picture. Look at the given picture, and first of all we going to learn, we going to read, and after that I will explain that what is the given topic is. So student, there is a, look at this picture. There is a 2 picture, one of the girl and another of a boy. Okay. So a girl is a female child, a girl is a female child, a boy is a male child. Okay student, here is the topic is gender, and in gender we have to learn there is a 2 type of gender. First is male, female, and another one is a male. Male and female, these are the 2 types of gender. There is another one, but we have to learn only 2 types of gender according to this picture. Okay, according to your syllabus. So student, there is a girl is a female child. A girl is a female child. A boy is a male child. Okay. And here is the next picture is mother and father. So mother is a female parent and father is a male parent. Okay. Mother is a female parent and father is a male parent. Okay. So now moving to the next. So student, it's a very important for you that you have to learn about the lion and the bull are the male animals. The lion and the bull are male animals and the lioness and the cow are female animals. Student, it is very important for you that you have to learn that there is a male and female version in animals. Okay. Do you know is the sun male or female? What about the moon? What about your country? Student, have you knowledge about this given question? That is the sun male or female? Or what about the moon? Moon is of male or female? What about your country? Your country is male or female? So student, let's be going to collect many more information about the male and female. So student, like a boy and girls, we know there is a two categories, male and female, and it also in a animals we can find out this male or female version in a animals. Okay. So as we can see here, there is a lioness and lion. So lioness is a male and lioness is a female and lion is a male. Okay. And another one is there is a bull and cow. So we all know bull is a male and cow is a female. Okay student. So match the male names with the female names. One has been done for you. Student, we are going to match the given male words with their female version. Okay. So first of all, we can see at your screen that one has been done for you. It is boy. So we have to match boy with a girl. The female version of boy is girl. So we have to match this with D. Okay. Now second is king. Second is king. So student, tell me what's the female version of king? You all know it very well. The female version of king is queen. Okay. Queen. So we have to match with E. Now the next third is grandfather. Grandfather. So tell me what's the female version of grandfather? So the female version of grandfather is grandmother. So we have to match with A. Now the rooster. So student, number 4 is rooster. So the female version of rooster is hen. Okay. Bull. Next is bull. Number 5 is bull. So the female version of bull is cow. So we have to match with I. Next stage, after bull, there is a next is stallion. So student, we have to match stallion with mare. Stallion with mare. We have to match number 6 with C. Now the next is gander. Gander. So student, we have to match gander with goose. Gander with goose. Okay, we have to match 7 with J. Now the next is fox. So student, we have to match number 8 with vixen. The female version of fox is vixen. Now the next number 9 is ram. So we have to match the female version of ram is ewe. Okay, and the last one is peacock. So we have to match peacock with peahen because the female version of peacock is peahen. So we have to match with H. So like this we have to complete this matching word. Now moving to the next, that is put the words from the box in the correct columns. One has done for you. Dear student, here is a two category as you can see at your screen. There is a male and female. So we have to put the words from the box that are given in the box. You can see there are many words in the box. So we have to choose words according to the column. As you can see, there is a first column of male and the another one is for female. So in first we have to write the male word and after that we have also write their female word on the next column of in female column. Okay student. So as you can see that one has been done for you. So there is a first word is tiger. There is a first word is tiger. So the female version of tiger is tigress. Okay. Now you have to choose the next one. you have to put the next one, that is actor. We have to choosing the word actor, so we have to write here actor. What is spelling of actor? A-C-T-O-R, actor. And what the female version of actor? It is actress. Okay, so we have to write female version of actress in female column, that is actress. Okay student, so like this you have to complete the second one. Now the third is brother. Third word is brother. In third column we have to write the male word, that is brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. And the female version of brother is sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay, brother and sister. Now the next word is aunt. So we all know that aunt is a female word. So first of all we have to write its male version. So what the male version of aunt? So the male version of aunt is uncle. What is spelling of uncle? U-N-C-L-E, uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. And the female version of uncle is aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. Now choose the next. Now the next is nephew. Next word is nephew. Next word is nephew. So we have to write in male column nephew, and the female version of nephew is niece. Okay, nephew and niece. Now the next we have to choose the next word, that is bride. So bride is a female version. So first of all we have to write its male. So it is groom. So we have to write groom in a male column and bride in a female column. Now the next is daughter. So first of all we have to write the the male version, that is son, and the female version of son is daughter. Now the next is prince, and prince is a male version and princess is a female version. So like this we have to choose the word, and after that write on the column. Okay student, so let's do this exercise in notebook. Okay student, so first of all you all take out your notebooks and mention date of today. We're going to write this exercise in notebook. First exercise is match the male names with the female names. Okay, so we have going to do the matching word. First is boy, so we have to match with D, that is girl. The female version of boy is girl. Second is king, and the female version of king is queen, that is given in option number E. Third is grandfather, and the female version of grandfather is grandmother, so we have to match with A. Fourth is rooster, so we have to match with hen. Okay, we have to match with hen. Now the fifth is wool, so we have to match with cow. Now next is number 6, stallion, so we have to match with mare, option number C. 7th is gander, so we have to match with goose, option number J. 8 is fox, so we have to match with F, that is vixen. Now the next is 9, ram, so we have to match with G, that is U. And last one is peacock, so we have to match with peahen. So like this you have to write the correct option in front of each words. Okay, now moving to the next exercise, that is put the words from the box in the correct columns. Put the words from the box in the correct columns. So student, we have to make a 2 column, one for male and another for female. So first of all we have to write the first word, that is tiger, and the female version of tiger is tigress. Second is actor, so the female version of actor is actress. Third is brother, so we have to write in female column sister. Fourth is uncle, so we have to write aunt. Fifth is nephew, so we have to write niece. Next, sixth is groom, so we have to write bride. Seventh is son, so we have to write the female version of son is daughter. 8 is prince, so we have to write princess. So like this we have to write the male and female words. And dear student, when you write this exercise you also learn the given male and female words. Okay student, so that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you all the topic of this chapter, that is naming words, special names and gender, male or female. So dear student, that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thanks for watching.